What in the world is this? Oh, fuck. Gross. I get to fix that. What the fuck? I was making fun of my coworkers. It's like, God damn, is this your fucking handiwork? You know, a lot of people don't know this, but if you huff enough of this, you'll forget you're at work. I call that a win. Alright, well, I was able to get that one in, redirect those, hook that back up. I was just going to leave that until I seen the big old bow, so we got to cut that out and get this nice straight piece in there. But finish that fitting back to their laundry room, that'll be alright.